So hello guys, this is Satya from Team Cyber Samurais. I'm going to show you how I did this scintillate photography website, which was our project 2. We were asked to make a portfolio website, so we got an idea. We'll make a photography portfolio website of our college photography club scintillate. So I'll just show you the website real quick. This is the home page, about us, gallery, contact, and this is the footer. So I'll just tell this is not a tutorial, but you can feel free to pause the video at any time to understand the code. So let's just begin. So first create a folder. I'll just name it portfolio site. So I'll just copy the CSS files and media files in it. The photos file has all the videos and photos in it. And the styles had all the CSS files in it. So let's just open it with the Visual Studio Code. In order to open the file, click on open folder and open the folder which you have created just now. Create HTML file index dot. Sorry for the cough right now. And don't forget to link the CSS files in it. So I'll just link the CSS file right quick. As you can see, I've linked the CSS files in it. Link rel style sheet styles, which I've created a separate folder for it, and in the styles it has all the CSS files in it. In the body, I'm using the inherent property which we can also style within the tag. Style, I'll add a background color. So I've made the background color linear gradient. As you can see, we'll just open it with live server. So first we'll do is this navbar section. So I'll just copy the navbar section. I've added the navbar section in it. Basically what I've did is I have created a divisional element inside it which has another divisional element, so I can containerize all the elements in it. So this is the image and this is the content which has all the about us, home, and contact us and gallery. So let's just look at the output, save it. As you can see, we have got the navbar. What we'll do next is we'll do this video section of it. As you can see, I've added the video section video section in it. Now I'll just explain what I have did in the CSS files. This is the header for it. As you can see, you can feel pause it and understand it. And this is the CSS for the video. Video z index background linear gradient is this. What we'll do next is the about section, which you can see right now, about section. So I'll just copy the code of the about section. So let's just see what has happened. As you can see, I've added the about section, which is similar to this. Next, what we'll do is add this banner, which has the content in it: 100 plus events, 500 plus projects done, 300 plus happy numbers, and 200 plus awards. Let's just see what has happened. As you can see, we have added the banner also, and this is the CSS for it. I'll just show in a second. This is the CSS for it. Feel free to pause it and understand it. So moving on, we'll do the, as you can see, this image is a bit different. As you can see, when we scroll it, it looks like the image is stuck below the content of the website, and everything else is just moving. This is known as parallax image. So I'll just do it. And I'll also show you how we can do that parallax image. As you can see, I have added the parallax image HTML. Let's look into it. As you can see, I've added the parallax image, and for For in order to be the image to be parallax image, we have to use this property. I'll just show in a second. The class is bgimg. Yeah, this is the property for it. In order for the image to be parallax image, we have to use this property known as background attachment fix. Basically what it does is it will attach your image to the background and it will fix the image to the website. It will the most the, it will the most below the all the contents of the website. Next what we will do is the gallery or the slide view of the website. So it's just right after this. As you can see, I've added the HTML for the gallery and the slide in it. This is the division for the it. As you can see, I've once again created another divisional elements for it. It has all the images. Just see into it. Yeah, as you can see, I've added the carousel, which is not working right now, as we have to do link the JavaScript file for that. I'll just quickly attach JavaScript files. As you can see, I've added the JavaScript in it, and I also add the JavaScript file in the folder. As you can see, I've added JavaScript file in it. Let's just open the code and just look at the website. Right, yeah, as you can see, the carousel is now working. Next what we'll do is, yeah, after the gallery, I'll add this contact banner, which is the same parallax image. I'll just add it quickly. I've added the parallax image for the contact section, contact banner. As you can see, I've added this. It's the same parallax image. After the contact banner is the contact section, which has all this content in it. I'll just do it right now. I have saved it. Let's just look in. As you can see, it has all the content of the contact section. After the contact section, at the last but not the least, is the footer. As you can see, it has all this elements in it, which has all the icons of the social. So I've added the footer section in it. As you can see, footer tag, footer. I've once again created another division in it to containerize the elements. It's the club, and it has all the hyperlinks in the list tags, and the list tag is in between the unordered list. So this is the another footer elements, FAQ, trivia, online shop. This another list has all the watch, bag, and shoes, dress. This footer contain all the social links to it, icons, as you can see. So let's just see. Yeah, as you can see, the website is complete and it's working. It is same as this original website. Let's just quickly check it. About us, when we click about us, it will direct to the about us section of the page. When we click on gallery, it will redirect to the gallery section of the page. As you can see, it's working. Slide view, it will show the carousel. Gallery view, it will show the gallery view of the images. When we click contact us, it will show the contact section of the page, and this is the footer. Beforehand, I'll just show you all the CSS files for it. Once again, I have not explained. I would like to. I know I have not explained it very well because this is not a tutorial. The video was made just to show how I made this website. But you can feel free to pause, or I will just link my GitHub for it, as you can check it out the code later. This is the CSS for the header. Yeah, and also I would like to mention that I have added the media query in it to make the site responsive, and the section CSS for the section, and the CSS for the contact, and lastly this is the CSS for the footer. So I'll just explain the JavaScript for it. This is the JavaScript we use for the transition between the slide view and the gallery view. As you can see, this is the function for on click function. When we click the add, it will show the gallery, and this is the another on click function for it. When we click on the slide view, it will show you the slide view. And this is the function which I've called it above it right now, above the functions. Basically what I did is created the function, I've called it above it. So that was the JavaScript. As you can see, the website is made and it's similar to the website what we have did earlier. I'll just close the original website and just look at it. This is the website. So that was it. Thanks for watching. I just so yeah guys, thanks for watching. I'll just meet you the next time when I'll be explaining the project 4 video.